So, just to recap, Caliber collision set our truck on fire. Hey Wannabes, welcome back to part 2 of They Set Our Truck on Fire. Before we get started, I wanted to address this comment. See, I have an issue with it because it didn't catch itself on fire. If the shop had given us back a fully repaired truck after the deer collision, it didn't repair itself. We're fully aware that this was an accident, and we don't mean to sound clickbaity, it's just what happened. Someone set it on fire accidentally, and now our truck is totaled.
So it's been a few weeks, and we finally had a chance to wrap our heads around everything that's been going on. So here's the order of events.
So for us, this timeline started June 27th, because on June 25th is when we hit the deer back when we were filming $1,000 Sushi. On June 27th is when we drove all the way back to Missoula and we dropped our car off at Caliber Collision. They told us ultimately it is going to be about 3 weeks wait time, 3 or 4 weeks of wait time. That brings us to the next part of our time.
Dun, dun, dun.
Beach Boy. You're like a Megadeth. I was gonna say Mad Dog.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
That's why. So Mad Dog is a pizza from what's that pizza place I worked at?
Papa
Not
John's?
Crust. No, I didn't work at.
Oh, California.
No, I didn't work at California. Mod Pizza. That's what it was.
You were a mod boy?
Yeah. Humble beginnings. 3 weeks goes by, and just like they said, it brought us to about July 21st. I'm impatient, and I call them, and I'm like ready to pick up my truck. And I'm on the phone for a little bit, just waiting. The GM finally gets on and says, I've been dreading making this call, but we set your truck on fire. Yeah, if you want to know more about that call, or see our genuine reactions to seeing the truck for the first time, go watch part 1 to this video. So a couple days go by, that brings us to July 25th. That's when the Caliber Collision team handed everything off to their insurance, the Liberty Bibbity. And that handoff couldn't have been more night and day. Where the Caliber Collision team would respond to us immediately, pick up a phone call. The insurance was not like that at all. When they did the handoff, they provided contact information, and I had already emailed a little bit just to get the ball rolling. I decided to call a little bit, and I was met with not even a hello. I called, barely got through the insurance claim number, and she was simply, do not call, we're not gonna do this over the phone, we will only communicate via email, goodbye. And that was it. That was when I knew this was not gonna go the way I thought. Alright, then another week later goes by, and we finally heard back from the insurance that the truck was deemed a total loss. Now, this was hard, but it's what we wanted because I was not getting anywhere near that truck with that burned up electrical.
So it's kind of been a while since I've had a real shower and not in an RV, so this should be pretty nice. That was such a good shower. Now that we're all cut up, you're probably wondering what we're doing in this hotel room. Well, we're gonna tell you in the morning.